Hi, I'm Mark Hyman, and today I'd like to share a car that's near and dear to my heart with you. It's a 1961 Facel Vega HK500. This car is very special. It was purchased new by Tony Franciosa, who was a very famous actor in the 60s. And the Facel Vega itself is an amazing machine. Facel Vega was the brainchild of Jean Daninos. And Daninos, post-World War II, was a manufacturer of refrigerators, stainless steel sinks, and other hard goods. But more importantly, he began to build bodies for other manufacturers like Ford of France, Bentley, Simca, and other cars. So through the late 40s and early 50s, he was a builder of bodies. But in the mid-50s, he decided that he would start producing his own car, which he called the Vega. The first Vega was produced in 1954, and from 1954 through 1964, Jean Daninos produced a series and evolution of cars, and over 10 years, there was just under 3,000 cars manufactured. Each car was hand-built. The parts for each one of these bodies do not fit another car. So you want to take a bumper off of one and try to put it on another, it doesn't work. The cars are beautifully built. They're very, very reliable because they do have American engines. And more than anything else, what the cars represent to me is eccentricity. What do I mean by that? Well, everybody that bought a Facel Vega was kind of unusual. They were bought by a lot of movie stars, industrialists, but I think the common denominator for people who bought Facel Vegas is those people wanted to be unique. They wanted to be unusual. One of the reasons that Facel Vegas are so important to me is that in 1989, when I was still in the real estate business, I stumbled across a Facel Vega in a very dilapidated state in the slums in North St. Louis. I bought that car in 1989, and I sold it for a very, very handsome profit. Well, that was fun, and it was profitable. So I continued to do that, and hence, this is the beginning of Hyman Limited Classic Cars. I've probably owned more Facel Vegas than anybody else in the United States other than the dealers when they were new. I'm not sure if that's something to brag about, but it's true. So these cars, while I'm not going to tell you they're the best driving cars in the world, I will tell you they're some of the most exquisite cars with great history, with great technique, with great design, and they're unusual as can be. So I'd like to share this one with you. It is on my website, it is available for sale, and it is a great example. Thanks again. We'll talk soon.